Colonel Sharp, we have an inbound unidentified infiltrator 10 miles out.
Unidentified aircraft, you are in restricted U.S. military airspace.
Walk, ident, and proceed east out of the area.
Raptors 1 and 2, snap to heading 250 to intercept.
Bogey's in the weeds 10 miles out, not squawk.
Unidentified aircraft, we will escort you to U.S. SOC Cent Air Base. If you do not comply, we will use deadly force.
Copy the bogey. KL 4500 X-ray.
Sir, says here 4500X was shot down 3 months ago, Afghanistan.
It's got to be a mistake. Check again, then recheck.
I did, sir. A friend of mine was on that chopper.
Unidentified aircraft. KL escort you to U.S. SOC Center.
Radar, where's the inbound?
Bogey's 5 miles out, sir.
My wife on?
Yes, Captain.
Ah, my ladies!
Oh my goodness, look at her. She's getting so big. Look at those cheeks. What a chip on them. Babe, we made a good looking kid.
I know that people say that all the time, but wow, we made one good looking kid. Nice work.
She has your laugh.
She laughed.
Her first one, yeah.
You sure she didn't just fart?
No, she's a lady. She doesn't know you yet, but she will.
4500X, something's not right.
Bogey comes ahead.
Whoa. Radar's jammed. It's coming from the chopper.
Well,
Sarah? Hey! Sarah, if you can hear me, I'll be home soon.
MH-53 pilot, power down now. Have your crew step out or we will kill you.